Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, NSWTV, New South Wales Transport Videos. I'm currently here at Broadmeadow Railway Station, currently awaiting the arrival of XP 2006 and XP 2009, which have been repainted into the iconic red, black and white intercity XPT livery from the 1980s. They are currently operating on NT35 from Central to Grafton, and they should be passing through here in a little while. But in the meantime, we'll just film whatever comes and goes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. D3 is the front four cars. D57 is the rear four cars. So the XPT that is around Cardiff now will either have to wait for this to clear if it gets there, if it gets to Broadmeadow on time, or this will stop in the loop and this will go around it. Alrighty, we have XP 2006 approaching platform number 2. The newly repainted intercity red and white livery that the XPT wore in the 80s. Oh, that looks gorgeous. XP 2006 leading, XP 2009 trailing. XP 2006 is named City of Grafton, and XP 2009 is named City of Sydney. That train's next up will be Maitland, followed by Dungog. It is operating on NT35 to Grafton. That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Alrighty everybody, I'm going to wrap this video up now. Be sure to like and subscribe, share this video around, check out some of my other vlogs. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Comment where or what you would like me to film next, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.